Hi guys, welcome back to Sportify channel. Now I will give you tutorial how to create short link URL of one Spotify link for Android. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So don't miss of our videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And let's start it. First, go to the application of the Spotify that you have been to install it before. Click on the Spotify. And after that, you can go to the songs that you want to be sorted of the URL. And I choose the one of the songs, and then you can click the share option in the below. Click on, and next you can copy link. After that, you can close it. You can go to the Chrome application here. Click on the Chrome application, and you can click the new tab. And next you can to copy or paste about the link that you have been to copy it before. That you can see is a very long URL in here. So how to be shortened? You can go to the shortener URL. You can search about this URL shortener here. Click on the URL shortener. It's very simple to make it. You can enter the link here, and before you just to copy it, so you just to paste now. Okay, after you copy link it or you paste it, you can click the shorten URL here, and you can see your URL is more short, and you just to copy URL and see this URL is work or not. URL copy it, and you can go to the new tab, and then you can paste for your URL. Okay, let's see it's work or not. Click on, and it's directly to you to open the Spotify with a short URL. Okay, it's very simple way to do it. It's very simple way to follow it. This is a tutorial how to create short link URL for long Spotify link for Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention, and bye.